Hello, everybody. Hello, private sellers. Nice little bit of a news update. Yes, tomorrow, August the 6th, faster payments are going live. And that means you won't have to wait till 2 days after the item's been delivered. You'll get your money as soon as 24 hours. So if you think that your money's been on a holiday to Ibiza and eBay's been playing with it, this could be the update that you've been waiting for. So here's the deal. Instead of waiting 2 business days after the sale, if you're eligible, you can see those payments start coming into the account the very next day. That means more cash flow. You're not waiting around. It's been a big moan from people that people have been holding on to their money. Is this another one of the things that eBay are slowly starting to listen and responding to the feedback that's come in from the private sellers? So this is the update from eBay. The text is taken from the official eBay website. You have to have at least 10 completed sales with a combined total of £150 or more within the last 5 years. And no more than 2 open requests, cases, or transaction defects in the last 12 months. And you should automatically qualify for faster payments. Simple. I'll break down the exact criteria for point 1 and point 2 in the next couple of minutes, and then also give you an update on how to actually track if you are eligible and what places to go to find out. So to qualify for the £150 worth of sales, in a nutshell, they're going to add pretty simple delivery, the amount plus the postage. Not any fees, not anything that you've paid, not any additional taxes or anything like that, just the pure amounts. And then post simple delivery, they're going to just add the item sale fee. Put all that together in a calculator and work out if you've done at least 10 sales and more than £150 on the eBay platform. So I'm going to keep this one really simple. As long as you're not sitting on the naughty step with eBay, you should be okay. So it's no more than 2 open requests, cases, or transaction defects in the last 12 months. So an open request is when a buyer reports an issue and you don't resolve it. And recount the transaction defect. So as long as you've been all okay, sorted out the problems, you should qualify. So it's August the 5th and nothing's appeared yet, which I didn't expect it to. So go to the payments tab on your private account on August the 6th. There is supposed to be either a notification in that tab or notification via email or your chosen notification preferences from eBay to say that you have been accepted. Or if you haven't been accepted at this stage, there will be a progress bar appear on how far you are to becoming accepted. I'm going to check back tomorrow and give you an update, and if need be, depending on how successful this rollout is or how active people are at getting it, if you have got it and you're watching this post August the 6th, I nearly said October the 6th, then that would be a surprise if it takes that long for it to get rolled out. Then please leave your comments below. Thank you.